So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in activation settings. Click on it. And now this will come up. There's going to be some things here that we can try. So first you're going to expand activation state. And we should now be seeing all of this. So for the first method, you're going to click on change. You now want to type in your product key again. You just want to type it in here and then click on next. The reason why is you might have typed it in wrong the first time. So just type it in again right here and then click on next, follow through the steps, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, we're going to click on troubleshoot. And now this will come up. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. You could also contact support to get help. And you could also go to the Microsoft Store and then purchase another copy because maybe your copy is not genuine. So you can purchase a genuine copy from the Microsoft Store. Also, if you changed hardware on your device recently, then you're going to click on this and then follow through the steps. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now, you just want to restart your computer. Type in your product key again and then see if that works for you.